Hi, and Mama Giuliana. My tip today is how to peel tomato. Peel and take out the seeds. So what we need, of course, is two beautiful tomato. You take out the top. I already wash. After we need a very hot water I put to boil already, and you dip inside the tomato. Before to dip you have to cut like this, but not really cut very much. Just very gently you make like this, and put in the hot water and leave there for around 15-20 seconds. You will see that they peel very, very easily, but you will be surprised how I take out the seeds from inside. I'm sure you will enjoy it also once you try this one. When I take out this one, we put in the cold water and we wash for a few seconds also. They make some bubble because it means that the skin is coming soft. But it's nice because the tomatoes, they're not come very soft, so it's still raw. You can use like fresh tomato. You can eat like fresh tomato. Okay, now I take out the tomatoes. They're a little bit hot. You see, if you touch, they're still very, very hot. So we put now in the cold water. We don't need this one anymore. And now we peel the tomato. You go with a knife. You see how it's come very easy out. It's really fantastic. You know, when I discovered these things, I really enjoy to prepare. Well, now one is ready. Now I peel also the other one. And then you can cut this one for make tomato sauce. You can just eat like this, or you can prepare nice tomatoes basket. I will show you how. You will surprise your friends when you prepare this one. Now, I cut the tomato. You see how it's really hard. You put upside down and you squeeze. And you see all the seeds come out. Then with a small spoon, you help a little bit, but there is no more seeds. Now we make this one again. Now, once you have cleaned outside and take out the seeds inside, you can use as you like. If you want to make some basket, you just cut the inside like this also. You can put some what you like and make basket. Or of course you can cut like this and you can prepare ready for make some tomato sauce. So that's all. You see, it's very easy, and it's really you have a fresh tomato. It's not very soft once you put in the water. And you clean very, very, very fast. And you take out the seeds also, which is very important.